Okay, please like and subscribe and scan this QR code. Scan this QR code so you can join the business, the Bitcoin business. Thank you. Scan QR code now. So we're in the meeting. Backyard here. Yeah, they're renovating the backyard. Gonna put some outdoor pool, outdoor jacuzzi. And if you need Bitcoin, if you need money, Bitcoin, let me know. This is what we do. If you have money to burn, you need to do some projects. Okay? So we're building. They removed the tree, the pine tree.
So, 2,234.86. Kinantaman, wala si cash ko. Ayun, wala akong cash ko. Withdraw ako man nun. Withdraw ako man nun, tikwa. Look, kahit kung wala na lang, tikwa, $50. Naku. $50? Naku. Sige, tayo dyan tao ang kuwangay. Pagkakarang tikwa nun.
We're having a new driveway. Yeah. We need a car collection here, you know? Shit. I know, man. Shit. Let's see. Here we have a 3-car garage, 4-car garage. Driveway, 4-car, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we don't have parking in the future. So they prep groundwork for cementing tomorrow. So we got a bigger parking. We can put 4 cars now. So I'm gonna buy my own Lamborghini. Maybe I'll park my Lamborghini. That's the whole idea. Nice. The dog likes to watch. What do you think, Mirage? What do you think? Good idea? Yeah? Is it a good idea? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, good idea. It's a good idea, right? Good, Mirage. It was a good idea. Mirage says. Nice parking. We got 4-car garage now. A 4-car parking. 4-car driveway. Maybe 5-car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. We can park 5 in our. That's a lot of cars in our parkade. Yes. Oh, welcome to the new episode of Bitcoin Home Reno. We're gonna put some jacuzzi here in the back, in the outside, in the backyard. We're gonna put some jacuzzi. So I wanna show you the view here, the prep work for the cement pouring. So we're gonna pour some cement so there's no more rats or there's no more creatures underneath the soil, you know. So yeah, this is gonna be the cement pouring, and oh, it's got my block here, my wooden vintage wood block here for my this is for my anvil. I'm gonna put an anvil. See the back here. So yeah, they did the prep work for pouring. To maybe tomorrow they're gonna pour some cement here. My apple tree. Nice, huh? Man, they should not be sharp. Should be like curved also. But anyway, let's go outside. Let's see how it looks. So we're gonna have a 4-car garage here. Do the prep work too. Cement pouring tomorrow, I think. Cement pouring tomorrow. So we can park 4 cars in the front and 1 car inside the garage. Maybe I'll start selling cars. If I can have 4 cars, then I can sell cars. And the burr. See the burr here? The pine burr. I don't know who wants this. Fan is open. It's gonna rain. I'm gonna close that. Anyway, yeah, this is how it looks like. And so I call this episode the Bitcoin Reno, Bitcoin Home Reno, because we use Bitcoin to pay for these projects. So if you need Bitcoin, let me know. And this is the first episode of Bitcoin Home Reno. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the VIDZMO channel. I know I think I'm demonetized. demonetized, but it's okay. We can't control AI. We can't control AI, so yeah, I'm gonna close the van because I think it's gonna rain. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.